the group which we have made 15 members. There are still 4 more people have to come. We'll just check it out. Which state members are not there? Tripura has 2 people already there. Arunachal, 1 more person is yet to come. Please check your own state people whether the team is there. Ladakh, 1 person has to yet come. And he has to join in that side. So when he comes, you have to call him and make him to sit with you. Okay? So please see where they have to sit, ensure them to join the group. So today now we are just going to the next session. Morning we started with audio resource. Today we are moving now to the video resource, and we have with us our producer. She's Miss Vinita. She's basically from Meghalaya. So we thought like we should call her for Northeast representation now. So she's here with us. She is also a young producer. We have now so many producers in CIT, right? Though you may not have this kind of structure yet in SCRTs or this, but as per the new standards, that we are just making a standard document, right? In that we have given recommendation that these are the minimum people that should be there as a human resource in the state. For running your studio, for running your digital lab, all these are actually made in the standard documents also, which is going to be released for strengthening diet as center of excellence. So it is saying that if you don't have resource, don't expect output. So don't see the output alone and say this diet is not functional. First of all, you say whether this human resource is given to check the functionality. Right? So you will also be meeting all the different people who are working in the studios for us to get understanding. Usually our visits will be in most of our training program. We make you to write a small script, practice, go and record. Now today we are not having recording. Okay? But we are going to take you completely. We are going to start the theoretical session here. She is going to first explain about the process of developing educational video content. What is the process? What are the things you need to take care? But this session will continue. Afternoon, after this session, we are going to go 1:30 sharp. You all have to be down. We will be going 1:30 to 2. We will have a session with the engineering division. Because we also asked to know if I need to set up a small lab or a studio, what are the minimum things required in the studio as an equipment, why this equipment, why this kind of specification. We will be getting a session. Again from 2 to 2:15, Vinita will be with us to give you a practical little bit orientation of what she's talking here. How different angles will reflect, how camera is working, what are the equipments used during production. She will be giving a hands-on for 20-30 minutes down. Then we will move to visit other things. We will go to data center, from where we will go to virtual lab. We'll have AR, VR experience. We'll also go to VR R&D lab. We'll also go to live studio. We will visit the Indian Sign Language recording studio. All these visits will happen, and all can be done only if you cooperate. Because if each of you gets lost, because now we are calling you, 15 member, if you keep getting lost, if the whole group will be waiting for you, time will be lost. It will be extended in the evening. Without completing, we'll not close the day today. But it is, if you quickly go, it's hardly till 4 o'clock. 4:30 we should be able to come and complete, and we have the practical work here. Right? So we need your cooperation. So let's start with a session which is going to be given by Vinita ji on developing educational content.
Ma'am, isn't there anyone from my state?
Meghalaya not participating. You should go and tell them now. Actually, they have got confused with Pranita ji's programs and got my participants are deputed to her program.
Pranita ma'am, so we are going next week.
Yeah, they got confused and they, by mistake, all the 4 people are deputed.
Okay, so hello everyone, I am Vinita. As ma'am said, I am from Meghalaya. So I joined NCRT 1.5 years back. Before that, I was on Doordarshan for 7 years. but I keep walking around. तुम्हें पता ही है, yeah, all my workshops I keep walking around. Anyways, yeah. So just a quick introduction about me. No, thank you. Yes. So where was I? I keep forgetting. I'm a little, absent-minded. Anyways, I need all of you to talk because I talk a lot. And if you feel like I talk too much, then you can cut me, and then you can tell me your own stories about production. Anyway, so today the session we're gonna do is it's very interesting. I love my job, and so as I tell you about what we do here, maybe you will also start loving this and start developing videos. So, developing educational content. If you go to YouTube, you will find unlike countable videos, right? But my concern here is how we do videos in NCRT. I will just tell you how we do it because when I was in Doordarshan, we were a media house. When I was working with World Bank, we were doing for international market. Here we are doing for children, right? So our target audience changes, the way we make video also changes. So today we will focus specifically upon educational content and even more precisely we will do how we do educational content in NCRT. Now I don't know if 1 hour is enough, but again you have another session with me down, so we will do the practical there and we'll do the talking here. Okay. So what I use here a lot, although my Hindi is terrible, but English is fine for everybody, I guess. Okay, yeah. So, how we begin scripting here? Okay, first and foremost, to make any video, you need a script, right? You need to know कि क्या बनाना है, right? So, in NCRT, what we do is we called subject matter experts. We invite teachers from all across the country, and we have people who have written books and all, right? We invite them, and we have workshops like how you're doing right now. There's currently right now another workshop happening in the second floor where people are actually writing a script for Hindi class 7 textbook. So what happens is these people are invited here. We give them a similar workshop on how to write a script. Like for you, I'm doing on video. With them, I do on script, right? So वहाँ पे what we do is they come, they write a script based on the textbook, and then once the script is done, like they get 1 to 2 weeks or whatever time frame they have been given, the script then goes to a script committee. In NCRT we have a script committee. Now in the script committee we have professors and we have people like us from production. Now the professors and all, they see ki pedagogically it is correct or not, right? Whether the children के लिए इतना content is okay, the way you're teaching is correct or not, if we are using too much of hi-fi English, or एक target audience के हिसाब से कैसा होना चाहिए. They check everything pedagogically. And for example, nowadays it's reel का जमाना, right? We don't watch super long videos, so we see कि कितना duration होना चाहिए. All that, everything is discussed in script committee. Now there are times when these scripts are rejected also, and if the script is passed, it comes to us. Like I'm from the media production division, it comes to us, to the producers. We sit down, we do a planning meeting, and then we hire people. We start hiring artists कि एक स्क्रिप्ट में एक मम्मी चाहिए, दो बच्चे चाहिए, एक पापा चाहिए, एक ग्रैंडफादर चाहिए. अभी ये आर्टिस्ट कहाँ से मिलता है? ये आर्टिस्ट आर पीपल लाइक यू. We don't go to theater places. We don't go, we actually call people like all of you, मैं क्या करती हूँ, whenever I meet all of you like this, I take everybody's number and I say जिसको एक्टिंग करना है मुझे ऑडिशन भेजो, राइट? एंड देन अगर कोई अच्छा है तो मैं बोलती हूँ आपका हस्बैंड है, आपका वाइफ है, आपका बॉयफ्रेंड है, आपका गर्लफ्रेंड है. मैं ना बहुत बेशरम हो जाती हूँ. आई स्टार्ट आस्किंग बिकॉज आई नीड आर्टिस्ट नो फॉर माई वीडियोज. सो दिस इज हाउ आई नेटवर्क. एंड ऐसे करके हम कुछ हाई एंड अमिताभ बच्चन स्टाइल एक्टर्स नहीं लेते. छोटा मोटा हम सब स्कूल चिल्ड्रन को लेते हैं किसी के. और कभी तो क्या करते हैं, स्कूल चिल्ड्रन को ले लिया, उसी के मम्मी को भी हायर कर दिया अगर शी इज गुड इन एक्टिंग ना, उसी के पापा को भी बोलते अरे तू भी कर ले. So this is how we build our network. And so when people like all of you come and you are willing, you can always give us your audition and we start acting with people. Okay? That is what, this is how the basic of scripting happens. We get the video and we start the production. Now let's dive into how we do the video. Okay? If you have any questions, please keep asking me questions. Now, one thing that's very important is In NCRT, it's little easy to think about ideas. Like अगर आपको randomly कोई दिन एक फिल्म बनाने के लिए किसी ने बोल दिया, like I'm giving you this much money, you make a film. Now you will think किसके ऊपर बनाओ, right? एक idea तो चाहिए. But in NCRT is pretty easy. Why? Because we know कि हमारे पास textbook है और textbook का एक chapter है, right? So you need to make the video on that chapter. So your idea is already there. So it's little easy for you. You don't have to beat around the bush or spend hours or days thinking about what topic I'll make the video on. So you can actually take a textbook, right? And maybe like what I was telling you right now, another workshop is happening where class 7 workshop is going on. So out there are 15 people who have been allotted. Like for example, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. So you already have your idea, correct? So that way, idea generation is very easy for you. Now, number two is objective. After you watch the video, what is it that the child needs to understand? Because यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि one thing we have seen in our script committee, like I already mentioned to you, they give us a script and they give us 10 objectives. But when I read the script, I know that the 10 objectives will not be fulfilled. Right? एक 2 मिनट के वीडियो में how can you give 10 objectives? So as a video content creator, when all of you actually start going, please be very specific कि when a child watches my video, at the end of the video, what is the concept he's supposed to understand? Is it a story on friendship? Is it a story on photosynthesis? It is a story about learning something about an angle, about anything. So please make sure your objective is very clear. Because sometimes you have spent so much money and effort into a video, but at the end of the day, the child will be like, कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया. Then it's a waste, no? It's a waste of your effort. So please make sure your objective is clear. One thing that is very, very, very important is your target audience. Why I always emphasize on this is because I give this example in all of my workshops. In our script committee, we had this script that had come for us for mathematics, and it was a script for class 2 mathematics. And wahan pe the dialogue written was, oh my god, this child doesn't it was like, oh no no, the child said, mummy, I don't understand what a sphere is. Okay, and the other child is like, I know what this fear is. Now our academic coordinator, जो script committee में है, he rejected the script. And I was like, why? इतना simple ही तो sentence है, मुझे sphere नहीं आता. And then they said कि it's a class 2 child. In class 2, the concept of sphere is not introduced in NCRT textbooks. Right? The circle is introduced. Sphere is not introduced. Maybe square is introduced. Cube is not introduced. So when you write your videos, when you write your scripts, please make sure who your target audience is, how much the child already knows, and how much the child is supposed to know. पहले ही इंफॉर्मेशन के चक्कर में डोंट गिव टू मच इंफॉर्मेशन बिकॉज वो इट्स नॉट लाइक हेलो वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऐसा नहीं है दिस इज अ प्रॉपर एजुकेशनल कंटेंट राइट सो यू रियली नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड योर टारगेट ऑडियंस व्हाट इज द वर्ड ही ऑलरेडी नोज what is the word you need to introduce? Is this word too big for him? Should he be introduced this in class 6? Should he be introduced this in class 4? So it's very important for all of you as as educators, keep that in mind. Another thing, the time span. If it's a class 2 child, right? If there's a poetry you want to give, do you want to make the poetry as a sing song, right? Or you want the poetry to just be narrated? What is the format that the child will understand quickly? Right, that is very important. Like we did a story on we did a story on mathematics. There was a poem and I turned that into a song. Okay, means Ajit sir was here before this, right? So he turned that into a song. I gave him this and I told him, sir, make it into a song because it was for class 3 children. Now the same poetry is again there in class 6. Now I will not turn that into a song, right? Because class 6 ko chota bachcha into music, he'll not like it, right? He will want it to be told in a different way, maybe in a recitation or in an animation, right? So that's why it's very important. Please understand your target audience before you make your videos. किसको कैसा वीडियो कब चाहिए, ठीक है? Then structured format is again this example I give in all of my workshop, every workshop. Last year we went to Guwahati. we had a workshop similar like this, but there क्या करना था कि like out here all of you have more of theoretical sessions. Out there everybody was shooting. हमने सबको divide कर दिया and we told them shoot. Okay, and we are doing a similar workshop next week. So anyways, so वहाँ पे क्या हुआ था that this particular group, there was a team from Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura and Sikkim. And what happened was the story was about night. It was from class 3 English. The story is about night, where there is the story brief में ऐसा है कि it's about the sun and the moon. Okay, and the child is supposed to learn things about, like, these heavenly bodies. And what happened was the script was very beautifully written. So what happens was all of you only would have to act. तो वो आप में से ही एक बच्चा बन गया, आप में से ही एक मम्मी बन गया, ऐसा था. So the bacha was like, the bacha entered the classroom and the mother was sitting. And this the बच्चा जो बच्चा बना, the sir जो बच्चा बना, वो मणिपुर से कोई SCRT के कोई टीचर थे. तो ही केम एंड ही सेड, मम्मी मम्मी मुझे आपको ना एक पोएम सुनाना है. एंड मम्मी सेड, क्यों? अभी तुम स्कूल से आए हो, थके हो, पहले फ्रेश हो जाओ, खाना खाओ, एंड देन मे बी यू कैन narrate your recite your poetry and I will listen. Then the mummy said, no no no, beta said, no no no, I want to recite, it's very beautiful. Then the mummy was like, ठीक है, तो recite. So the baby recited the poem. And after that, that is how they wrote the script. Okay. After that they wrote, the child is sleeping. Matlab, suddenly they are talking, right? Like, I am the mother and there's a baby and he's talking to me and I'm reading the script, and next scene 2, baby is sleeping. And I said, baby is sleeping? Matlab, right now you're talking, how are you suddenly sleeping, right? So I did not understand. And they said, no, because in the sleep, no, he will talk to the sun and the moon. The script writer told me, and I was like, it's a nice concept, but continuity is the issue, the format is the issue. Like I wrote here, structured format, right? You need to have a beginning, middle and end. Beginning to ho gaya, aa gaya, and she has narrated the story and they have enjoyed the story, but there is no middle. Now she is directly talking to the sun and the moon. So we need that continuity. When you write your scripts, please make sure there is some kind of connection. Ki wo bacha, how did he go to sleep? Continuity is very, very important. When you watch movies, right? Forget movies. I'll tell you about NCRT only. If I shoot here, if it's my shoot of 3 days, if a child is wearing a pink clip, I tell him, कल भी ये pink clip पहन के आना है, कल भी ये पिंक सॉक्स पहन के आना है, कल भी बाल इधर है तो बाल इधर ही होना है. देयर इज यस सर. अच्छा आप भी थे. हाँ ट्राइंगल वो तो नहीं हुआ था अच्छे से. हम नेक्स्ट वीक फिर से जा रहे हैं, आप आओगे? हाँ दैट्स व्हाई योर फेस इज सो फेमिलियर, आई फील लाइक आई हैव नोन यू. हम नेक्स्ट वीक भी जा रहे हैं, आ जाओ सर. सो वहां पे व्हाट वी डिड वाज, it was a very nice workshop ना, it was, we had so much fun. So what we did is हमने टीम को बिठाया और मैंने बोला कि let's do something in between. So what we did is after the poetry we included a line in the script. We told, आप ऐसे लिख दो, poetry तो हो गया, go and finish your lunch and then finish go and finish मतलब go lunch वंच खा लो and then finish your homework. ऐसे कर दिया, तो एक लाइन वहां पे ऐड कर दिया. फिर वो हमने शूट कर दिया ग्रीन स्क्रीन में. आई शो यू हाउ वी शूट इन ग्रीन स्क्रीन टुडे. ठीक है. सो वी डिड दैट एंड हमने वो लाइन शूट कर लिया. सो आफ्टर दैट बोथ ऑफ देम एग्जिटेड द स्क्रीन. मम्मी वेंट दैट साइड एंड बेबी टुक हिज स्कूल बैग एंड ही वेंट आउट. फिर हमने एक वीडियो में दिखाया ऐसे वो टाइम दिखाते हैं ना ऐसे एनिमेट करके, आफ्टर दिस मेनी टाइम और आफ्टर लंच. तो हमने एक स्टडी टेबल दिखाया, बेबी वहां पे बैठा, he took out some books. Okay, he started doing homework and he was yawning and he slept. Then we went करके dream sequence. अभी continuity आया, right? You tell me, अभी आया कि नहीं continuity, right? So these are the things you cannot miss when you write scripts. Continuity is very important. You cannot show a child एक scene में classroom में, next scene में घर पे. You have to give a linking line कि how did it happen, okay, how did it go. So a structured format is very important. Fine. Then he was talking to the sun and moon. Then the mother came, we woke him up, and then we did more story, and that's how we ended the video. So this is how you have to make sure your format is very clear. You cannot start a video with suddenly, maybe it's a maths video. You cannot suddenly start with doing an activity. Always have hum, like after coming to Delhi, my Hindi has improved. But they use this word called bhumika bandho or something, like for example, if I'm going to teach about maths, then maybe a child is doing something he cannot do and a mother came and helped, like that. Like always give an introduction. Like we're doing pal videos. Did anyone show you pal videos? No. So in PAL videos, what happens is we always start with a question. Like, have you ever wondered? Like that. You like always start with something interesting. Otherwise, nobody will watch, right? So format ho gaya. Fine. Till now, everything is fine. The script is clear. Continuity, understand. Structured format, you understand. Next, this I will not go in this because it just involves what I already spoke. Objectives and start with a hook. Basically, our hook is like a question. We can start with a question. Have you ever wondered? करके something like that. Logical structure, which I already told you. लॉजिक होना चाहिए ना. सडनली यहाँ बैठा है एंड सडनली डिसअपियर हो गया, ऐसे नहीं चलता है. ठीक है. Another one I want to show you. I have too many PPTs actually. um we will talk about the media type. Now you know your script. आपको शायद chapter 1 बनाना है, right? Now you know कैसे बनाना है, target audience कौन है, right? Now you even know your duration, कितना मिनट का बनाना है. Now you know. Now the media type, the format. How will you do? Like for example, formats can be a documentary, it can be a lecture, it can be fiction, okay, it can be an interview, it can be a quiz, it can be so many things. I will show you short clippings so that you understand what format is what. Actually, why I always show this is because unless you know what a format is, how will you make a video, right? मेरा वो पीपीटी है क्या आप लोग के पास? वो पुराना वाला जो मैंने वर्कशॉप में यूज किया था, जो मैं बीच बीच में क्लिप्स दिखाती थी ना. वो जामिया इस्लाम वाला. हाँ, जामिया वाला. शायद कहाँ पे है? नहीं नहीं हमारे वाली वर्कशॉप में था. हाँ, नहीं नहीं, इसी वर्कशॉप में था. वो मैं एक सेकंड में चेक करती हूँ. Anyways, so okay. Now, when do we use Chroma? Right now in NCRT we have so many books, right? And we have very less time to make, and we don't have a location. Now what happens is most of the scripts when people write, no, they write scripts ki stadium mein, then they like moon में हो रहा है, stadium में हो रहा है, किसी के घर पे हो रहा है. I don't have my house to give. In Delhi houses are so small, no, we don't have so much. Camera कहाँ रखेंगे, light कहाँ रखेंगे, artist कहाँ रखेंगे. So even because due to lack of area जो होता है ना, we start do most of our shoots in chroma. ठीक है. Most of the time, like how I told you all that I call you as, do you have a husband, do you have a wife, ऐसे करके I ask people, can you please give me your house to shoot. So we go and shoot in our professors' houses. But अभी एक ही professor के घर में we have shot so many times, no? पर्दा कितना ही change करेंगे, right? So we do most of our shoots in Chroma. I will show you how we do. ये वाला नहीं है. So one is chroma. Chroma, green screen, right? We just change the background. Another one is documentary. Now for small children, we do not use documentary. Obviously, documentary is mostly for high-end classes. Okay, and then we have fiction. Fiction where we do a lot of drama, where a lot of casting is involved, and makeup and all different dresses and all. वहाँ पे वो हम करते हैं. ठीक है. Then we have something like PAL videos, which NCRT is doing right now. Right now, I have finished 102 PAL videos. We started like 3-4 months back. What is PAL video? PAL video is, for example, I am a child who is learning maths and I want to learn about angles. Now, this is a textbook. In this textbook, the first line talks about acute angle. Okay, and maybe I'm not a very quick learner, or maybe I forgot the concept. Now, as a learner, I should be able to click on that video, and a 2-minute video on acute angle should come. Then I read down. There's another question on obtuse angle. Now I don't know what is an obtuse angle, right? So I should be able to click on that and a 2-minute video on obtuse angle should come. These are PAL videos that we are making. Isme there will not be any good morning children, no thank you, no nothing. These are only concept videos where a person will just come and talk about the concept and we end. Now fiction is different because in fiction we do the whole story. Like we do the entire drama. Okay, we teach from beginning to end. Then we have lecture. Lecture is, for example, you are the teacher of class 7 English. Then I call you and I tell you, ma'am, I want to do class 7 chapter 1. Can you please come and deliver the lecture? So in lecture, what happens is the teacher has to teach the whole thing exactly like you teach in a class, but in front of the camera with no students. So you will just stand in the camera and you deliver your speech. That is the lecture that we are doing in NCRT right now. Okay.
No, so how Paul will do the how it is hyperlink. How yeah,
That-
excusing how you
we are working on that. Right now we are just developing the videos. Maybe in future, maybe by next summer when ma'am's team is ready, then they will start linking
Oh,
that.
it's the you are just this resource you keep the resources.
Yes, right now
Without-
it's available in Diksha. The
Oh,
videos
oh,
are
yeah,
available in Diksha.
no, when I
But to
saw
hyperlink in the books, maybe they are working on it. So
Okay,
right
that's
now we
all.
are creating, since ministry has told us to create, so we have started creating the videos. Because the moment this is ready, then we should be able to embed it. Right?
Now it is there
In
your
Diksha,
portal.
all the videos are there in Diksha. 102 we have made till today. Maybe by next week I'll finish 105. It takes a lot of time.
Only
actually.
e-textbook it will go through.
Yes, something like that. Means that's the plan. Now I don't know how it's going to work out.
Why? Otherwise, how it will be happening?
Okay, so now let's go to the actual production stage. What happens in production? Production is of 3 stages: pre-production, production, and post-production. Now, anyone tell me what happens in pre-production?
We are planning the-
स्क्रिप्टिंग कर लिया हमने. नंबर 1 भी फिनिश. देन
आपने जो जो बताया था अभी तक मतलब
नहीं, अभी तक नहीं. आप मुझे नाम बताओ.
Identification of artists.
आर्टिस्ट भी हमने हायर कर लिया. नाउ
फिर
Of this studio.
लोकेशन ढूंढ
Location.
लिया. हाँ. देन
Storyboarding.
स्टोरी बोर्डिंग कर लिया. यू आपको पता है स्टोरी बोर्डिंग क्या है?
Yes.
क्या है?
Yeah, every suit,
Suit
material,
wise.
the materials where it will be placed. It's a drawing. It is like a drawing that, as it is a collaborative work.
So you said no. Why you standing?
No, no, it's okay. As it is a collaborative work, there will be videographer, there will be light man.
Drawing of artist.
The all everything they know that what will be going, what will be happening when the characters and the object will be placed.
Okay.
It's for every
Storyboard is basically composition of your shot.
exactly.
ठीक है कि मतलब like we say, I have said this every time, maybe I have not said it here. A script is basically a blueprint, right? कि अगर script जैसे प्री प्रोडक्शन में क्या होता है ना, हायरिंग स्टेज सिर्फ आर्टिस्ट का नहीं होता. You need so many people. No, you need makeup artist, you need cameraman, you need sound person, you need light person, you need technician, you need somebody to take care of your food, somebody to make sure your lighting is correct, right? Your location, gari driver bhi aapko chahiye. So everything happens in pre-production. Storyboarding is basic. Okay, sorry. Scripting is basically if I am the cameraman and you are the engineer. हम दोनों शायद इस मीटिंग में नहीं हैं, बट एक स्क्रिप्ट से उसको पता होना चाहिए कि मेरा ड्यूटी क्या है, इसका ड्यूटी क्या है. So a script should be that clear. That's why it's called a blueprint. Because in big billion shoots, 100 people cannot come in every meeting, right? So when you look at the script, you should know exactly what is my role is. So in a storyboard, the storyboard is this is your board. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. I am Vinita. I am entering the room, right? Now I am entering the room and my scene is, ma'am, what's your name? Pratishta ma'am. I am going to talk to Pratishta ma'am. Only 2 of us are in the room. All of you are not there. Or maybe sir is there. Okay, and she is there. Now I enter the room. Okay, Pratishta ma'am is like, hi Vinny, how are you? And I look at her. Now इसका storyboard कैसे बनाओगे? Storyboard is Binita is entering. क्या दिखाना है स्क्रीन में? अभी तो black है, right? It's black. Binita is entering. Are you showing my leg? Are you showing my face? Are you showing me head to toe? Okay, is the camera up? Is the camera down? Is the camera behind me? Okay, or is the camera showing all of us in a room? Is the camera somewhere there? That is storyboarding. You will have to draw here. First frame में what is Binita doing? मेरा इतना है. मेरा इतना है और या इनका है, और मे बी शी इज राइटिंग एंड यू आर जस्ट शोइंग दैट, हमें दिखाई नहीं रहा, बस माई वॉइस इज कमिंग, दैट इज स्टोरी बोर्डिंग. सो द कैमरामैन नोज एग्जैक्टली कि जब इसको शूट करना है व्हाट इज ही सपोज टू शूट. ओके, उसके पास स्क्रिप्ट नहीं होगा शायद, बट द विजुअल विल टेल हिम व्हाट इज हिज रोल. दैट इज स्टोरी बोर्डिंग. क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट से तो डायलॉग पता चल गया, बट डायलॉग डजंट मीन विजुअल भी सेम होगा. Just because Vinita is talking doesn't mean Vinita has to be on screen, right? Something else can be on screen. That is storyboarding. It's very important. So I enter. You show me carrying something. Vinita long shot entering. This is my frame. Second cut. You are showing ma'am. तो यहाँ का visual क्या होना चाहिए? मैम का. इससे बस कैमरामैन को हेल्प नहीं होता, एडिटर को भी हेल्प होता है. उसको भी पता होता है अच्छा इसके बाद मुझे ये काटना है, राइट? So that is storyboarding. Understood? Easy way to understand. Yeah. और फिर क्या होता है? Storyboarding हो गया, स्क्रिप्ट हो गया, आर्टिस्ट हायर हो गया. क्या चाहिए हमें? काम करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? सामान चाहिए. जी सर.
Character design, screen.
Yes, वो सब हो गया, right? Now most importantly you need equipments. Without equipment you will not shoot. अभी जो हम लोकेशन बोलते हैं ना उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? रेकी भी बोलते हैं in media terms. रेकी हम करते हैं. Now I'll give you an example. क्योंकि I like to always give examples. I'll give you an example. I had to shoot last Diwali. My topic was taking charge of waste. If you go to NCRT official website, I mean YouTube channel, and if you see taking charge of waste, that's the video I had to shoot. Now, do we have time? Sorry, yes.
Yes, we have.
कितना टाइम है? मेरा ना मैं बहुत लंबा बात करती हूँ.
Yeah. I will remind you.
Okay. Anyone sleepy? Okay. So I had to shoot on taking charge of waste. That was my video of class 3, the world around us. And I thought my artist, क्योंकि Diwali is very big in Delhi, right? It's not like in Meghalaya. Diwali is like maybe a 1 day, 2 day holiday. But in Delhi, मैंने first time देखा कि Diwali is like really big, like you know पूरा जो दिल्ली छुट्टी पे जाता है. It's like how Christmas is for us. So so my artists were not ready, and I thought ठीक है, I will shoot after Diwali break. I will shoot. So I thought कि उससे पहले ना I will go do a recce in the location. Now my head sir told me कि I needed dustbins to show. The concept was, the objective was to teach a child कि green dustbin में what we have to throw and a blue dustbin में what we have to throw. Like just to introduce the concept of waste management to a class 3 child. So I went and sir told me कि campus में we have so many quarters, residential, and they are dustbins. Why don't you shoot here? So I said, good for me. Then I said, ठीक है sir, I'll go for recce. Now I went for the recce and I identified places. I took photographs ki where I'll keep my camera, how I'll shoot and all that. ठीक है? And I identified 2 areas where dustbins were very clean and proper and मतलब shoot में अच्छा लगे ना. I checked that. I came back. And then my the Diwali happened and Diwali and all finished, and my shoot was supposed to be on a Tuesday or Wednesday, something like that. And man mein na, I just had this feeling ki I should just go and check one more time because it was like a 1 week break, right? So I went. I told my cameraman ki I'm just going to check the location one more time. So I went. When I went and I saw the dustbin किसी ने बम से उड़ा दिया. So recce is so important because you don't know what challenge will come when. Imagine I had gone on that day directly for shooting, and like you know, so these are the challenges you will face in production. So you should always be on your toes. You know, when I was in Doordarshan, this was in 2015, I think, and I had, one of my producer at that time had told me stories जो एकदम 90s का stories होते हैं ना. They had told me कि ये दो engineer और cameraman इतना दुश्मन थे एक दूसरे का that they were fighting so much और उनको shoot जाना था 200 किलोमीटर दूर. They went. जब shooting के time आया देखा तो कैमरा ही नहीं दिया. So, like, don't forget things. Okay, make sure your battery is packed, your camera is packed, your wires are on point. And जब location जा रहे हो, क्या shoot कर रहे हो, make sure all your properties are correct. Fine, this is just an example I'm giving you that you might have to face any day, so always be on your toes. So, location hunting हो गया, another location hunting. I had a shoot 3 weeks back. I went and saw the place, very nice. Everything was ready. The day I went to shoot, and I was like, my artists are ready, my three cameras are ready, and I said, sound roll, camera, and I said, action, and bulldozer chal gaya. And I was like, God, I completely forgot that in NCRT, some road ka thing was going to happen. So when you shoot, make sure, find out in advance if there's going to be any power cut, right? If there's going to be any construction, because all these things will hamper your production. So all this happens cup pre-production में. It's not just location, it's not just people, it's just not hiring, it's not just script, but these are the small things. And हम क्या करते हैं? We shoot with a lot of children. Make sure there is a proper toilet, right? Because for children you have to make sure the food is good, the water supply is good, all these things. Then the sun, sometimes if you see our videos, most of you will not catch it, but as production people, I will obviously catch it. Like एक scene में the sun is coming from here, and एक scene में the sun is coming from there. So all these things you have to remember. Yes, continuity is so important. कोई भूल गया, jacket ही भूल गया. Now we did one scene, one shoot in the month of November, mindful eating, class 6. It was cold. Oh, no, no, no. We did a shoot in June. Okay, July. We did a shoot in July. It was super hot in Delhi. And we did a shoot in Bal Bhavan. So the children were all sitting outside and t-shirts mein the. Due to some reason, the second part of the shoot could not happen, and we had to shoot it in October or November, something like that. The video took a really long time. Now it's cold, location is same, children's parents are worried कि half t-shirt में तो we cannot shoot, right? So we spoke to the script writer, and as a producer we suggested, why don't we do this? They are in a park, so they have their bags. तो हमने बोला एक लाइन ऐड कर देते हैं, एक विजुअल ऐड कर देते हैं, that the children is just taking out a jacket from this thing and is just wearing. तो वहाँ continuity आ गया, राइट? ऐसे नहीं हो कि एक शॉट में बिना जैकेट है और नेक्स्ट शॉट में. सो मेक श्योर अपने स्क्रिप्ट के हिसाब से ना कभी कभी आपको इम्प्रोवाइज करना पड़ता है. So make sure you have this creative mind on how things are going to happen. Fine? Okay, pre-production done. We have everything ready. Let's go to production. Okay, introduction is the main thing where things actually happen. We need cameras, we need lights, and we need equipment. हाँ, और क्या है? एक कैमरा, लाइट और क्या है?
Equipment and
मत
catering
देखो
and
उधर, मत देखो.
and catering also.
Okay, so I am a person. I'm going to talk, right? I have the light ready. I have the camera ready. One more thing, very important. Mic, yes, microphone. So these things you need. आजकल तो ना, if you all want to be like beginner recorders, you get these USB mics. You can just plug in and you can you can get that below 5,000 and all also. So like you can shoot with your phones also. Other days when we do these kinds of workshops, we make all of you shoot. So maybe in future we will do something like that. But yeah, so make sure these things are ready. I will show you one video. So shooting तो आपको पता है कैसे करते हैं, right?
Can you tell us about DSLR and mirrorless cameras?
That we will show you in studio.
Okay.
And from 1:30 to 2 o'clock you have with ED, they will actually give you the equipment and show you. ठीक है? So for now I'm just telling you theory that these are the equipments that you need. कहाँ है वो? Minimize कर दो यार. What kind of screen is this? कहाँ है escape? Seriously, you don't have my. Let me log in. Na?
Pendrive open now, gateway.
Huh?
Pendrive is on.
No. I did a live session also. Okay. So I will videos जो drama वामा है वो बाद में दिखाती हूँ. I'll show you Chroma. Okay. So in Chroma we did this video for class 3. The video was called. I forgot the name of the video, but I'll just show you. ये हमने नीचे किया था. So at 2 o'clock I'll take you to the studio and I'll show you how we did it. So this is how we did it. Okay. Please look carefully. I'm going to ask questions.
Thank you, my child. You have been very kind. make a wish from this tree and will make it come true.
Okay, that's just a clipping of how we do chroma.
नमस्ते प्यारे बच्चों, मेरा नाम है शालिनी। क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि जंगल में जानवरों के जूते कौन बनाता है? अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि भला जानवर भी कभी जूते बनाते हैं और पहनते हैं? बिल्कुल पहन सकते हैं। अगर हम कल्पनाओं के पंखों को उड़ान देंगे तो हमें इस संसार में कई चीजें अद्भुत नजर आएंगी। कभी कभी कुछ अद्भुत होता है तो मन को अच्छा लगता है ना। हमारी कल्पनाओं की दुनिया भी अलग जैसे थोड़ी दुनिया होती है सकते हैं किसी को सोचकर ऐसा हो तो क्या हो।
Okay, in both the videos, what did you notice? What are the things you generally observe?
Because the background
Background changed, yes. That is the sole purpose of doing chroma, right? Anything else that you noticed?
Foreground and background, you can.
Change, yes. The title came. All this can be done in
Sound
editing.
effect.
Yes, sound effect is very important. What else did you notice?
Animations and
Graphical.
graphics.
Yeah. One thing very important is they were not wearing green color.
Yeah. Otherwise, it will be like
Yes, so
misunderstood.
you cannot wear green color. Okay. Now, sometimes we shoot in blue screen, sometimes we shoot in green screen. So make sure. Another thing very important is the lighting. Abhi, why we do in chroma? No, like we know, right? See, I since most of us are from Northeast here, and we have a lot of greenery around us. We know that there are different shades of green, right? In one scene, you will see कि एक tree में there's like a dark green, light green, this. Even in chroma, if the lighting is not proper, तो वो shadow पड़ता है, right? When you stand and the light is there, obviously my shadow will be somewhere, right? So the shadow has to be eliminated, which brings me to my point, lighting. Now I'll come to chroma, but which brings us lighting. In lighting, now since most of you will be doing simple recordings, I suppose you can from Amazon, no, you get this green screen kit. You can always buy that. Usi mein na, it gives you this stand. You can always check in Amazon. It gives you a green screen kit. You can fix it tightly, light it up, and you can shoot. Fine. When you do this in your house or wherever it is, make sure your lighting is even and your shadow is not falling. The moment your shadow falls, it becomes little dark green. Now, then the editor, when he chooses the color to remove, he might have a problem. You must have seen in some of the videos. I don't know if you have actually seen. I'm just telling you. Some people ना बाल के यहाँ पे ना वो green आता है, especially those who have white hair. When I shoot, I tell all my artists कि एक दिन पहले ना मुझे कपड़ा भेजो क्या पहनना है आपको, because it's easy for me to think. I tell them not to wear white because white में green reflect होता है. Right? Obviously, in white, the green reflects. So we make sure we don't wear white when you do shootings. This is production stage. Right now we are in production. ना pre-production समझ में आ गया ना सबको? Yeah. So this is production. Make sure you don't wear white. Especially girls. I use this word. No dhinchak outfit. Because girls like to all dress up camera में हूँ ये वो, right? And they come एकदम glittery. No. Simple, no dhinchakness. Most importantly, you are making educational content. You have to be simple. You know, if it's a man, I tell sirs कि sir simple सा एक shirt पहन लो, एक नेहरू jacket या कुछ पहन लो. Do not try to overdress and all. Right? I tell the females not to wear this big heavy dangler earrings and all. And जो sirs है, I tell them to like dye their hair properly क्योंकि white hair में फिर वो पूरा green आ जाता है, right? So these things are very important. For men especially, do not wear checkered shirts. Checks पहनते हैं ना, कैमरा में हिलता है वो noise. We call it noise. Many people say अच्छा हिलता है. Professionally it's called noise. There's a noise, there's a jitter. पहले पहले जब हमारा एंटीना वाला टीवी होता था, you remember we still वो खट वो जिस black and white noise आता था, it's like that. शर्ट में वो noise आता है. Another thing is not just check. Big checks are fine. Big checks पे pattern पता नहीं चलता, but small checks में ना we find. Another thing is straight patterns. If it's very close, then it feels like it's moving slightly. So make sure to avoid these things when you are doing chroma. Because I think most of you, when you go back, you'll be doing chroma. Most of you, I feel. So in your diet and all, right? So make sure these things are followed. ठीक है? Another thing, lighting, like I said, try to eliminate that. Now, if you are doing a professional setup, this is just for your information. Maybe you will not follow it, but this is for your information. Since you are here and I'm a producer, it's my job to tell you. In basic video recording, we follow three kinds of lighting. Okay, three kinds of lighting in basic video recording. If your room is properly lit, no problem. If your room is not properly lit, three basic videos. Now you can all imagine. I'll tell you, please. You all teachers, you all good in imagination. I'm sure. So what you have to do is just imagine you are in a room and it's full black, एकदम अंधेरा है, and you are sitting in a chair. ठीक है? Now imagine there is a window this side on my right. Just imagine, huh? I want you to imagine. It's full dark. There you are sitting in the middle, and there is a window this side on my left 45, on my right 45 degrees, and you open the window. Now the light is coming from there. You can all feel. Now the light is coming from there. Which part of me is being lit up? This part, right? This part. So this is called fill light. Oh, sorry. This is called key light. Okay, I am standing here. The room is dark, full on pitch dark. I open the window from here. एक light यहाँ से आ रहा है. That is key light. Okay, I am the subject. My this part is lit. Now I have to shoot a video. I cannot shoot like this as a booth, right? I need to balance my light. So what I do, I need to eliminate this shadow. So I use a fill light to fill this area. 45 degrees this side. I open another, sorry, not the window, sorry. Maybe इस रूम में एक होल है, वो होल से वो लाइट आया and it is keying me. To balance this light, I open a window. Now I am open here also. Now I'm balanced. Right? That is fill light. Understood? Now, full on black, full on black. यहाँ से light आया, यहाँ से light has come. But if you look at me in the video, most of you will not even realize this, but filmmaking is very tedious but very fun. I love my job. So, if you watch videos very nicely, if you go today, you will feel there is a shadow here, there's a halka sa light here, because it looks like आप एकदम painting में ऐसे चिपक गए हो if you don't give a light from the back. So if you give a light from the back, usually from up or from down, just to separate the subject from the background, that is called a backlight. These three lights you will find in every studio. Every studio you will find. Okay, so these three lightings are very important if you want to eliminate shadows. So make sure you have this. Fine. Fill light or key light. Then you fill the shadow with the fill light. Separate me from the background. Backlight. Okay. There are 5-point lighting and all, but 3-point lighting is what we learned when I started my mass communication. This was what was taught to us, and we follow this in every setup. ठीक है? Diffusers are when the light is too sharp ना सर, तो हम उसको diffuse करते हैं. You will see कि अभी नीचे तो आज shoot नहीं हो रहा है. I cannot show you. Lots of people जो podcast करते हैं आजकल, कोई बैठा है और साइड में एक लैम्प होता है. अगर आप एक्चुअल कैमरा में शूट करोगे ना, द लैम्प इज वेरी हार्श, बहुत ज्यादा लाइट होता है, तो उसको ना हम जेल पेपर्स यूज करते हैं, तो सेलोफिन पेपर्स जो आते हैं ना, उसी लाइट को अंदर ना हम वो छुपा देते हैं, रैप कर दें, ताकि उसका लाइट थोड़ा कम रहे, एंड दैट इज डिफ्यूज्ड. So diffusers are basically when a light is too harsh and you want to minimize the light, तो आप थोड़ा वो कर सकते हो. ठीक है?
Warm light, you say warm light or LED?
हाँ.
Which one is better? Warm light?
No, LED में it depends on your where you are, and LEDs में क्या होता है ना, जैसे ट्यूब लाइट में most of people shoot, वो एक ब्लू टिंट आता है. That I think संयम जी को मैं बोल दूंगी इनको दिखाने के लिए ना, ED वाले will show you.
मैडम और एक प्रॉब्लम होता है कि जो लाइट का फ्लिकर होता है ना,
हाँ.
कभी कभी एफपीएस से मिल जाता है और वीडियो में बहुत सारा
वो तो आपका घर का वो देखो सेटिंग लाइट का फ्लिकर क्यों हो रहा है,
मतलब आई थिंक कुछ यहाँ पे
टेक्निकल इश्यू है.
मतलब लाइट का वैसे जनरल देखने में आपको फ्लिकर नहीं आएगा,
हाँ.
लेकिन शायद फ्रेम रेट के हिसाब से कभी कैमरे में वो
अच्छा वो तो ओके, दैट वन आई टेल द कैमरामैन टू शो यू अ डेमो. आई थिंक दैट बी नाइस फॉर यू टू सी ना, वो आके आपको थोड़ा वो फ्रेम रेट, एफ स्टॉप, अपर्चर ये सब दिखा देगा. दैट विल बी इजी फॉर यू. मोस्ट थिंग्स ना बताने से ज्यादा दिखाने से आई थिंक थोड़ा इजी रहता है. ठीक है, फाइन. तो लाइटिंग हो गया, माइक वाइक ये सब हो गया. प्रोडक्शन भी हो गया, शूट भी हो गया. What is the last one? Now production में one thing very very important is log sheet. लॉक शीट. अभी व्हाट हैपेंस इज हम शूटिंग पे गए थे एंड एक मैडम ने ना अपना डायलॉग भूल गई. वी हैड टू शूट दैट लाइक 7-8 टेक्स हमें लेना पड़ता है. अभी वो टेक में कौन सा टेक फाइनल है, क्योंकि मैंने तो दिन भर शूट किया, राइट. आई शॉट फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग 9 o'clock or maybe 7 o'clock till late night. But from those seven shoot, like the whole day, 7 hours or 8 hours of shoot, which is the take that I like, which is the take I want to use for my final editing. So that how will you remember when the whole day you are shooting? So you need to prepare a log sheet. You have to write कि this camera, this take. You've seen ना वो फिल्म्स में वो करते हैं कि take one this tag करके वो clap board जो use करते हैं, right? It's like that. But यहाँ हम take one नहीं करते हैं NCERT में, but we mark the clip number. After the recording, the cameraman will see the clip and he'll tell me, ma'am, this is the clip, and I write final. Okay, this is for example, I spoke so many things, but which is my final one you want? तो वो आप mark करके you can give the editor. It makes your job very easy. Fine. Sometimes what we do is maybe it's not final, but you want to check, right? So you can always use key, to check you however you want to, you understand it better, you can use it. Because the moment you bring the footage to your editing, obviously you don't have space. Where will you put so much content? So you have to cut short and throw half of the footage, right? So this will help you in organizing your data. Okay. Last is post production. Don't sleep. Okay, editing. Editing is like, I remember when just like 10 minutes back, one of the sirs was saying ki sound effects. Right? जो मतलब अजीत सर ने भी दिखाया होगा. Now audio production is so different than video production. Have you ever tried watching a horror film by switching off the audio? You will not be scared at all, right? मैं वैसे ही देखती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बहुत डर लगता है. तो I off and I watch because audio से पूरा emotions आता है. मेरे पास वो वीडियो नहीं है. I will really try to bring this in NCERT. One of my teacher had shown a scene जहाँ पे एक couple बैठा है और उनका डायलॉग चल रहा है और बस म्यूजिक से ना 2 minutes I was sitting, I was crying. 2 minutes I was sitting, I was angry. 2 minutes I was sitting, I was frustrated because वो music ऐसे दे रहा था. So music will control your emotions. So make sure the videos you make, if you're making for children, थोड़ा light, peppy, nice music ताकि उनको भी मजा आए, right? If you're making documentary, you will not give एकदम ढिंचैक music, ना? So music is very important. Your selection of music, background music, you can always use this YouTube का channels जो है जो free वाला आते हैं because copyright issues is very वो. तो YouTube में कुछ free वाले भी आते हैं, तो you can always use from there. Like for media houses, just when I was in Doordarshan, we had our own team who used to make our own music. Right? So obviously we don't have so much money to do that, but you can always do this. Fine. Then you can find some websites जहाँ पे थोड़ा free का music मिलता है, so you can use those kinds of music. Situational music is very important. Like 2 weeks back, we watched a video जहाँ पे it was a story about an elephant and a dog. And एक होता है ना when you go to a restaurant and there is one music playing throughout. तो एडिटिंग में भी ना सम पीपल आर लाइक दैट, एक ही म्यूजिक लगा देंगे फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग टू एंड. लाइक बीच में मम्मी गाली दे रहा है, like मम्मी इज स्कोल्डिंग आल्सो, द म्यूजिक इज देन द चाइल्ड इज स्लीपिंग, म्यूजिक इज like in a post production situational music is very important. The child is sad, thoda sad music de do. Child is happy, thoda happy music de do. So make sure when you make your video, don't just pick any music and पूरा शुरू से last restaurant types पूरा नहीं लगाना, right? Make sure कि आप थोड़ा situation से खेलो. Footsteps आ रहा है, थोड़ा footsteps का sound दे दो. Many people shoot in a park and there's a dialogue between me and sir. We are talking, and the video finished. But you are in a park. पार्क में क्या होता है, शायद थोड़ा बर्ड्स का साउंड आता है, राइट? प्ले विथ योर सीन, मेक इट लाइवली, मेक इट नेचुरल, right? So these things are important. Next is in the green screen video, you saw that ma'am's name came and went. Ashton, we call it Ashton. In Doordarshan, we call it Below Super. तो आप किस किस का नाम कहाँ देना है, it's very important. Because sometimes क्या होता है, एंकर की जगह में बच्चा का नाम चला जाता है. Some silly mistakes happen. Spellings are very important. Please make sure your graphics are done properly. fine. And ये हो गया sound design, हो गया transition तो you know, right? Cut to cut, that is the simplest thing we do. Then we use something as dissolve jo, which goes fade out and fade in. Usually we use dissolve when we have to show कि when we have to show time lapse कि मतलब झट से कुछ नहीं हुआ. इफ आई एंड सर आर टॉकिंग हम डिजॉल्व यूज नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज इट्स हैपनिंग एकदम कट टू कट फास्ट बट मे बी आई फिनिश टॉकिंग टू हिम एंड नेक्स्ट सीन आई टेल हिम सर आई विल गो गेट सम टी फॉर यू. देन व्हेन आई कम विद द टी देन आई शो डिजॉल्व बिकॉज थोड़ा टाइम चला गया ना उस पे. So I come and I show a dissolve. So there are situations where you use certain kinds of cuts.
Is there
ठीक
any
है?
proper grammar, mom, using this?
No, there's no grammar nowadays. अरे you see sometimes ऊपर से आ जाता है नीचे से आ जाता है कि आजकल तो क्या क्या करते हैं लोग. Just make sure कि when you watch a film इतना clear लगता है ना. You never feel that something is disturbing your eyes. Suddenly I'm talking, suddenly he's talking, suddenly a house is showing. इतना smooth flow जाता है. That's because the edit, the cut is so easy. So your transition has to be ऐसा sir जो ना लोग को लगे नहीं कि अच्छा कुछ हुआ इधर में, क्या हुआ, मैंने क्या मिस किया. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. स्मूथ फ्लो जो आपको वीडियो में दे वही आपके लिए बेस्ट है. ठीक है.
मैडम ट्रांजिशन में जो डीप टू ब्लैक एंड डीप टू व्हाइट उसमें कुछ ऐसा है कि कब डीप टू ब्लैक डालना है
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यूजुअली डिप टू ब्लैक इज लाइक व्हेन अ प्रोग्राम हैज एंडेड. एजुकेशन में आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एजुकेशन. प्रोग्राम खत्म हो गया तो फिर फेड आउट हो जाता है राइट. सो यू फेड आउट. कभी कभी जैसे इन एजुकेशन में नहीं बट इन अदर थिंग्स क्या होता है कि हमें मिस्टेक छुपाने के लिए भी हम डिप टू वाइट करते हैं. सो जो भी आपकी वीडियो को स्मूथ फ्लो दे दे ना आप वो यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Okay, then after this is just we have finished with our session basically. So now we go back to storyboard just one more time. Is there anything else that you need to know? Pre-production हो गया, production हो गया, post-production हो गया. Now in storyboard, like I was talking, because we will do this when we go down. Did you learn something? That's most important. Did you learn something? Or are you sleeping?
No.
Hmm.
Most of the time we are not using storyboard, mom.
Most of the time you're not using storyboards. Storyboards, you know, basically they use in. Sometimes क्या होता है ना, script writer themselves are storyboards.
We are
In
one man army.
yes, I am a one. I'm a producer here. I have to handle everything, right? So in small setups, you are everyone. You are like one man army. तो आप ही स्क्रिप्ट राइटर हो, आप ही स्टोरी बोर्ड भी करते हो. इन बिग हाउसेस, इन बिग मीडिया हाउसेस, देयर इज अ सेपरेट पर्सन हु एक्चुअली डज द स्टोरी बोर्ड. जो एक आर्टिस्ट होता है ना वो करता है. नाउ इन स्टोरी बोर्ड आप स्टोरी बोर्ड कब बनाओगे? व्हेन यू नो कैमरा शॉट्स. इफ यू डोंट नो कैमरा शॉट्स हाउ विल यू डू स्टोरी बोर्डिंग, राइट? सो डू यू नो कैमरा शॉट्स?
Scene. One scene will be different.
हाँ बट कैमरा शॉट्स पता है कब क्या यूज करना है?
नहीं पता है.
नहीं. सो हम स्टूडियो में वो करेंगे विद द कैमरा. आई विल शो यू हाउ टू डू इट बट आई जस्ट गिव यू अ रफ आइडिया सो दैट व्हेन यू गो डाउन यू कैन शूट. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स टेक दिस चेयर. ओके सो यू कम.
ठीक है.
And ma'am you come. You come. Okay, now there is going to have what's going to happen is they will be doing an interview. Okay, so who will be the anchor?
She'll ask, I'll answer.
Okay, she'll be the host. So she is the host और ये हम वीडियो बना रहे हैं and she is the host. How will you start? You all are the producers. Montage हो गया, start हो गया. NCRT presents a talk show with fade in. डिप टू वाइट तो नहीं होता, फेड इन हो गया. ब्लैक से हम स्क्रीन में आ गए. क्या होगा फर्स्ट शॉट इफ इट्स एन इंटरव्यू?
व्हाइट शॉट.
White shirt. Yeah, white shirt or point of
दोनों को
view.
दिखा के.
Or how many people tell me it's white shirt?
Of the host person.
How can it be white shirt? Okay, how many know what is a white shirt?
We don't know anything.
Oh, you don't know? Okay.
Only that person knows. He can go out.
ठीक है. White short is or we say extreme long shot. ELS, extreme long shot. ठीक है. I'll give you an example. When you watch a movie, फर्स्ट ओपनिंग सीन इट्स यूजुअली क्या होता है, एक विलेज का सीन होता है या कोई सिटी का सीन होता है. यस, दैट इज ELS, दैट इज एस्टैब्लिशमेंट, दैट इज वाइट शॉट. इट्स ओके. ठीक है.
थोड़ा खाना लेट
Why do we use that shot? Why?
To
To
show
give
the
an ambience
ambience
of
where
the,
we are.
to
To
show
show
the
the
idea of the
environment.
Yes. So we use that shot to tell the children, not children, to tell the audience कि आगे का जो 3 मिनट का मेरा फिल्म है वो कहाँ होने वाला है. I'm giving an idea to my viewers to expect this entire story is going to happen in
Yeah.
this scenario. That is when we use extreme long shot, ELS or wide shot. Nowadays wide shot हम drone से भी use करते हैं. Since technology is evolving, there are different ways of showing. You see एकदम earth से एकदम zoom करके आते, the different ways of showing, but the message is the same. You show a wide shot, you're going to tell your children, you're going to tell your audience where the story is going to happen. But that is when we do fiction or storytelling or something. In interview, I really need to take this call. I'm so sorry. Hello. Scale के लिए
नहीं लार्ज स्केल की नहीं जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल सबसे जरूरी क्या है यू नीड नॉलेज अबाउट द लाइटिंग फॉर फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट यू नीड द कैमरा किस टाइप का DSLR कौन सा टाइप का
Okay,
मिररलेस
that is in storytelling. So sorry for this. तो ये तो इंटरव्यू है. इंटरव्यू में एक सस्पेंस रहता है. वाइट शॉट नहीं यूज करना. इंटरव्यू में एक सस्पेंस रहता है कि इमेजिन ही इज नॉट सिटिंग पहले से, देन वाइट शॉट यूज करो. होता है ना कि किससे आज मिलने वाले हैं, पहले ही रिवील क्यों करना, राइट? सो योर ओपनिंग शॉट शुड बी द एंकर. Okay, just she talking to the camera. Then, hello and welcome to our program. Today we have so and so. Today we will learn this and this. And joining me today on our set, we have Mr. Sir.
दोस्त जे वांट
Sir, we have Mr. Wangchuk. Then two shot, right? या फिर then white shot, या फिर सिर्फ सर का shot, and he'll be like namaste, yeah, thank you for having me here with, like, thank you for having me, anything he can say, right? पहले रिवील मत करो यार, थोड़ा मिस्ट्री रखो.
सस्पेंस में हूं
Yes. ठीक है. Now again let's start. How will we start? So we open the scene. ये नीचे करेंगे हम कैमरा के साथ, अभी रिहर्सल चल रहा है. So we open, she is talking, right? वो क्या हो गया, क्या शॉट हो गया, मिड शॉट. अभी मिड शॉट क्या होता है,
मिचो
वाइट शॉट समझ में आ गया, मिड शॉट क्या होता है.
इससे ऊपर.
सर हाउ डज सर नो सो मच.
सर क्लास ले लो आप हम आपके पास
नाइस नाइस. ओके, आई विल गिव यू अ वेरी क्विक सेटअप. आई एम द सब्जेक्ट, ठीक है. मेरा लॉन्ग शॉट होगा, मेरा वाइट शॉट होगा मी विद द जूम. ओके, मी विद द रूम होगा मेरा वाइट शॉट, शोइंग कि वेयर आई एम प्रेजेंटली शोइंग, एंड ये वीडियो कहाँ होगा, मेरे रूम में होगा. ऑडियंस को समझ में आ गया. उसके बाद लॉन्ग शॉट विल बी मी फ्रॉम हेड टू टो. जब भी आप मुझे हेड टू, जैसे आई वाज टेलिंग ना, आई एंटर द रूम, मुझे कितना दिखाओगे. यू वांट टू शो मी फुल, यू विल शो मी लॉन्ग शॉट. स्टोरी बोर्ड में आपको क्या बनाना है, विनीता लॉन्ग शॉट. फिर यू वांट टू शो मी ओनली इतना, नी से ऊपर. नी में हम कभी भी कट नहीं करते मीडिया में. हम थोड़ा नी से ऊपर या नी से थोड़ा नीचे कट करते हैं, ठीक है. वी नेवर कट इन जॉइंट्स. Just remember, we never cut in joints. Always थोड़ा ऊपर या थोड़ा. We need to be sensitive to people with disability and all that also, ना. So we just have to avoid those things, ठीक है. That is mid long shot, MLS, mid long shot, ठीक है. Then in interviews you usually see this much, राइट. इंटरव्यू में MLS भी दिखाते हैं, पैर नहीं दिखाते. तो आपने ना कभी अगर वीडियोस देखा है कि टॉक शोज एंड ऑल चप्पल पहन के आ जाते हैं, क्योंकि कैमरा में कभी दिखाते ही नहीं है नीचे. नीचे तो कुछ भी पहन के जाते हैं, राइट. यहाँ तो पूरा मेकअप करेंगे, नीचे दे डोंट केयर. व्हाई, बिकॉज हाँ, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में होता है ना. मेरा भाई जब करता था बस शर्ट और ब्लेजर पहनता, नीचे हाफ पैंट में घूम रहा था, राइट. बिकॉज इतना ही देखना है. सो मिड लॉन्ग शॉट, देन मिड शॉट, समझ में आ गया. देन हम इसको ना, मैं बस शॉट बोलती हूँ मैनी पीपल से, क्योंकि हम इतने इंटरव्यूज में, न्यूज शोज में होता है, क्योंकि इतना ही बैठते हैं, इतना दिखाता है मिड शॉट, ठीक है, उसके बाद में सिर्फ इतना क्या हो गया, ये क्लोज अप, राइट. एंड देन इफ यू वांट टू शो, इफ यू आर डूइंग डांसेस और यू आर लाइक एक्सप्रेशन दिखाना होता है ना, आँख मेरा तो हिलता नहीं है बट हाँ जो ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं एंड ऑल दैट क्लोज, तो वो हो गया एक्सट्रीम क्लोज अप, ECU. ठीक है, एक्सट्रीम क्लोज अप. वी यूजुअली यूज एक्सट्रीम क्लोज अप इन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स आल्सो, क्योंकि वो दिखाना पड़ता है क्या हो रहा है एंड स्टफ्स लाइक दैट. सो व्हेन यू डू स्टोरी बोर्डिंग, यू डू नॉट जस्ट ड्रॉ, you even write there ECU, ELS, you have to write that. Fine. तो अभी इसका फटाफट करते हैं. Do I have 2 minutes?
Yes.
So how do we start? क्या होगा फर्स्ट शॉट?
ओवर द शोल्डर कब दिखाते हैं?
अभी बोलेंगे ना. Okay. So yeah, let's do the basics. We have the camera. How many cameras you will use? How many cameras you will use?
Three.
One camera for her, two camera for me.
One camera for her, 2 camera for him. Okay. If you have lots of cameras, क्योंकि सबके पास resources नहीं होते. If you have lots of cameras, you can use 3 cameras, right? One हो जाएगा आपका wide shot के लिए, ठीक है. ये किसको लेगा? दोनों को लेगा. इसको मैं क्या बोलती हूँ? सेफ शॉट. कभी कुछ गलत भी हो गया इस कैमरा से, ये कैमरा हो गया, एटलीस्ट ये कैमरा स्टिल रहेगा, शुरू से लास्ट तक ना ये कैप्चर करेगा. तो ये हमारा सेफ शॉट होता है, हमें बचा लेता है कि इस कैमरा ब्लैक हो गया बीच में या ये कुछ हो गया, तो एटलीस्ट यू नो दिस कैमरा विल सेव यू. सो दिस कैमरा इज ऑलवेज ऑन. ठीक है, ये हो गया मास्टर शॉट. वी कॉल इट मास्टर शॉट. इट्स टेकिंग द मास्टर वाइड शॉट ऑफ बोथ ऑफ देम. One camera will be this, one camera will be this. He will take her, he will take him. X. ठीक है. Then ऐसे straight shoot नहीं, ठीक है, ऐसे shoot हो गया. So 3 cameras. Now when I start, she will talk. After that, she will introduce him. Then we go to, we even say 2 shot. जब एक किसी स्क्रीन में 2 आदमी रहते हैं ना, we call it 2 shot. 3 आदमी रहते हैं 3 shot. 4 आदमी रहते हैं group shot. 4 shot नहीं होता है, group shot. ठीक है. Fine. Now they are talking. You have so many cameras, right? If you are talking, now if I keep the camera here, मैम को नहीं दिखाएंगे, बस रेफरेंस के लिए इनका शोल्डर में रखा है, वो होगा ओवर द शोल्डर शॉट, OTS, या कोई कोई OSS बोलते हैं, OTS. Fine. Then there is a shot where I do want to show ma'am only this much. I don't want to show frontal, but I want to show side. That is profile shot. ठीक है, profile shot. Fine. So इतना हो गया. Then maybe sir is writing something, right? And I want to show something from the back. वो भी क्या हो जाएगा? OTS हो जाएगा ना, क्योंकि वहाँ के उससे लिया है, शोल्डर से लिया है. Fine. This much is fine. Now you know what, and you know high angle, low angle, तो ये तो सबको पता है. हाई एंगल ऊपर से इंटरव्यू में लेते नहीं है, बट मे बी फिक्शन विक्शन या एक्सपेरिमेंट्स में ये सब में लेते हैं. कैमरा ऊपर है. हाँ जी.
High angle, छोटा दिखाने के लिए.
हाँ.
High angle,
लो एंगल. बेसिकली ये फिल्म्स में ज़्यादा होता है, एजुकेशन में नहीं होता है. कि व्हेन यू वांट टू शो, पुराने ज़माने की फिल्म में गाड़ी खोला, डिडिंग और पैर रखा, छिश, और कैमरा ऐसे आता है, हम पैर दिखाते हैं ना, या फिर बूट्स दिखाते हैं. इट्स बिकॉज वी वांट टू शो दैट दिस पर्सन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एकदम लाइक दिस.
For example, if there is if it is about like geographical location हमने दिखाना है,
हाँ
तो सब यूज होगा.
हाँ, इट्स ऑल यस. ये तो प्रोड्यूसर के ऊपर भी होता है, हाउ क्रिएटिवली ही वांट्स टू टेल हिज स्टोरी. कोई तो होता है ना, कि जैसे मैंने एक शूट किया था, ये डस्टबिन था, डस्टबिन का होल होता है ना फेंकने का, तो हमने कैमरा होल में रखा था ऐसे. सो फ्रेमिंग इज ऑल अप टू यू.
जैसे कि फ्रिज के अंदर से
हाँ, फ्रिज के अंदर दैट, बट ये आपको शॉर्ट्स का बेसिक नॉलेज होना चाहिए, कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हो स्टोरी टेलिंग में, इट्स अप टू यू, बट एटलीस्ट यू शुड नो बेसिक शॉर्ट्स. वहां जाके यू कैन नॉट टेल कि उसका सर दिखाओ, उसका हाथ दिखाओ. नो, यू विल हैव टू से क्लोज अप, एक्सट्रीम क्लोज अप. एक डेकोरम फॉलो करना होता है ना, मीडिया का एक टर्म होता है. For example, for ma'am Pratishtha, no? Pratishtha ma'am is sitting here and my camera is here and I cannot tell my camera, सुन मुझे मैम का head to toe दिखा दो, ऐसे नहीं होता ना. I'll have to tell him give me a tilt shot, मतलब कैमरा को ऊपर से नीचे करो, tilt up, tilt down, TILT, tilt. अभी कैमरामैन एज अ प्रोड्यूसर कोई क्रिकेटर है, बैट से खेल रहा है, ये कर रहा है, मैं कैमरामैन एज अ प्रोड्यूसर में नहीं बोलूंगी ए उसका लेफ्ट टू राइट बैट दिखा, नहीं, विल हैव टू से पैन फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट. जब कैमरा लेफ्ट टू राइट हिलता है ना, उसको हम पैन बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर यू यूज प्रॉपर यू नो मीडिया टर्म्स. एंड देन जूम एंड फॉलो में भी डिफरेंट होता है. जूम तो यू नो यू स्टैंड इन वन प्लेस और आप सब करते हो फोन से, यू जस्ट जूम, यू आर हियर बट यू आर रीचिंग समवेयर. बट ट्रैकिंग एंड फॉलो इज जब कोई भाग रहा है और आप भी फॉलो करते हो उसके साथ, दैट इज यू आर ट्रैकिंग द पर्सन, यू आर फॉलोइंग द पर्सन.
What is the full
Fine.
form of pen shot? PAN pen.
There is no full
It's
form.
just pen
Yeah,
shot.
just pan right, pan left,
अच्छा अच्छा.
and tilt up, tilt down. ठीक है, ठीक है. Anything else you need to know? बाकी तो क्योंकि हाँ, technical things ED people will tell you. They will actually show you the equipment. ठीक है. Or one more thing I forgot to tell you. I'll show you in the studio because it's always nice. Equipments का जो होता है ना वो दिखा के ये मजा आता है. Yes sir.
मैम क्लासरूम में जो टीचर्स को अगर
Thank
हम
you so much.
Thank you sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
क्लास इन द क्लासरूम सिचुएशन if a teacher wants to capture or record the classroom teaching process for let's say 2-3 minutes, तो उस टीचर को किन बातों का ध्यान विद इन क्लासरूम
रखना चाहिए. फर्स्ट तो एको नहीं होना चाहिए जूम में. तो दिस मोस्ट ऑफ आवर क्लासरूम्स हैव एको, राइट? तो एको नहीं होना चाहिए. लाइटिंग आपका ठीक होना चाहिए बिकॉज वो बर्न होता है. सम पीपल व्हेन दे शूट यहीं पे खिड़की है और यहीं पे स्टैंड हो जाते हैं, तो वो पूरा बर्न होता है पीछे लाइट. तो प्लीज ध्यान रखिए कि आप एक काला कपड़ा पर्दा कुछ लगा दो. ठीक है. योर ऑडियो हैज टू बी वेरी क्लियर. अभी आजकल ना आप जब माइक देखते हो जो यूट्यूब यूजर्स भी यूज करते हैं, एक कपड़ा सा होता है ऊपर से ना, आजकल नहीं वो पहले से होता है, हम उसको माइक मफलर विंडशील्ड ये बोलते हैं. लॉट्स ऑफ अस व्हेन वी टॉक वी हैव दिस, ऐसे आवाज आता है, वो विंड आता है. सो दैट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स यू टू निगेट दैट. तो अगर आपका मतलब बोलने में वो है तो मेक श्योर यू डू दैट. अगर आपने माइक लगाया है तो जो कपड़ा पहन रहे हो उसका रसलिंग नहीं होना चाहिए. इसलिए आई टेल ना कि ढिंचा कपड़ा मत पहनो, सिंपल कॉटन पहनो, उसपे ज्यादा खश का साउंड नहीं आता. जैसे जैकेट्स पहनते हो इसमें वो खश पूरा साउंड आता है, सो यू कैन नॉट रिकॉर्ड. मेक श्योर सिंपल कपड़ा हो जो ज्यादा रसलिंग साउंड ना आए. ठीक है. एंड लाइटिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है.
मैम लास्ट क्वेश्चन.
यस.
मैम नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि हम जब आउटडोर शूट्स वगैरह में करते हैं तो हम पहले क्या करते थे कि जो 180 डिग्री का वो मेंटेन करना पड़ता है. आजकल तो हर एक तरफ करते हैं.
आजकल ग्रामर फॉलो ही नहीं होता है.
तो कर सकते हैं.
नहीं एजुकेशन में मत करो वो 180 डिग्री. इट्स अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस फॉर मी टू एक्सप्लेन. हाउ डू आई एक्सप्लेन 180? कैमरामैन को बोलो.
Ma'am, there is a practical session after lunch.
1:30.
1:30.
ठीक है.
1:30 onward.
Actually क्या होता है ना, I'll just do I have 2 minutes or am I done? Then I'll show you down. Access में क्या होता है, again I have to talk. अभी आपने बोल दिया ना, मुझे बोलना ही है, थोड़ा सा बोलती हूँ. ये लाइन है एक कैमरा में. I am showing like sir and ma'am were sitting no यहाँ पे, तो एक शॉट में सर यहाँ बैठे हैं, नेक्स्ट शॉट में आई कैन नॉट शो इस साइड से, लेफ्ट साइड में ही दिखाना है मुझे पूरा इंटरव्यू सर का. तो वो अगर कैमरा आप इस साइड रख दोगे तो वो जंप हो जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई कंटिन्यूटी एक्सेस जंप नहीं करना है. वो ना दिखाने से ही होता है, जो करते हैं ना उसी को पता होता है. आई विल शो यू. हाँ वो थोड़ा
बट वही पूछ रहा हूँ, कर सकते हैं.
नो यू कैन नॉट, यू हैव टू फॉलो ग्रामर. इसलिए एज आई सेड ना क्लोजअप ये सब ग्रामर जो होता है कंपोजिशन यू हैव टू फॉलो. वन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग लुकिंग स्पेस, वो हम वीडियो में आपको दिखाएंगे. आई हैव सो मच टू शो. ओह माय गॉड. यस प्लीज हैव योर लंच एंड वी विल शो यू प्रैक्टिकली. ठीक है. हेड स्पेस लुकिंग स्पेस ये सब हम नीचे